Hello everyone, my name is Babar Hussain and you are watching my YouTube channel Babar Technical. In today's video we are going to resolve a common MySQL error and issue that comes when we try to start MySQL in XAMPP control panel. Alright, it throws an exception that MySQL shut down unexpectedly. Alright, so what we need to do, we just need to go to the Explorer. Alright, inside Explorer we will go to MySQL folder. Now there are some simple steps we are going to take to resolve this issue. First of all, what we need to do, we just need to copy a data folder and make a copy of it for a safe side. All right, when it is done, we are going to rename the copied folder as data underscore alt for safe side. All right, so once we are done, we are going to copy everything from backup folder except some databases, MySQL, performance schema, phpMyAdmin. Copy everything and paste inside data folder. All right, replace everything. Once we are done, what we are going to do, we are going to copy folder from all data all folder, ib data1. All right, copy that for a file and paste inside data. All right, replace it. Once we are done, we are going to start it once again. So guys, issues resolved. Now our MySQL is up on the port 3306, you can see here. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.